Alright, so Monday, I was gone on Monday. Students worked on the TechBrew project. Normalization materials, they should have that finished up. Alright, so then on Wednesday, the students continued work on the TechBrew project. We reminded them finishing up normalization, and then we started talking about the next step. We actually started talking about PHP and administration topics. Talk a little bit about administration, users, permission. I went over passwords. We took a look at the passwords in MySQL, and we talked about hashing. Hashing, you take a group of text, put it into a fixed length, so use some algorithm to do that. And so then, like, when somebody logs in, they type in their password, and it's hashed to that set length, and then it's compared to the previous hash. Alright, so we looked at that. And then on Friday we had Tech Den. We talked a little bit about the attendance, and then we worked on Unreal Engine and talked about game design. So that was fun, actually. Tech Dens, we're going to skip April 6th because I'm going to be out of town, so it'll be the following Friday, the 13th or whatever. And we're looking at Raspberry Pis, doing some actual network wiring, and again, let me know if you have ideas. Alright, so that is it.